Good morning. Well, we've seen the US markets close for the Independence Day holiday, the July 4 break, and we had a half day of trade in the States yesterday. So the real focus is on what we've seen in Europe and also in the Canadian market. The Canadian market closing slightly higher, up around 0.3%. European markets were mixed, and the major concern once again has been global trade. Now, we know the new tariffs come into effect from the 6th of July, and what we're seeing is a fair bit of positioning ahead of those tariffs and what the implication could mean, not only for the US and for China, but global growth as a whole. So what we saw yet again overnight was commodity prices coming under pressure, the copper price falling to an 11-month low. We did see that BHP and Rio fell over 2% in London trade, and we are expecting a fair bit of that negativity to flow back into the Australian market again today. The gold price was up around $4 an ounce to $1,258 US an ounce in low trade, and the oil price at $74.30 US a barrel, just slightly stronger. For the Australian markets today, we are expecting it to come under a bit of pressure at the beginning of trade because of those falls in commodity prices. The fact that we did see Canada slightly stronger might mean the losses might be a little bit muted at the beginning of trade. And if we have a look at the Australian dollar, it's currently holding around 73.83 US cents. Yesterday, late trade, we saw the Aussie dollar popping back above 74 US cents on the back of our stronger than expected retail sales numbers in the month of May, increasing by 0.4% as we saw the cold weather conditions leading people back into the stores, especially the department stores, to buy clothing and other items. If we have a look at that Australian dollar, we are expecting that it will be trading reasonably flat at the beginning of our trading session.